Hello friends, this is Durga from University. At this time, I am talking about preparing your Windows-based systems to take our courses effectively. One of the important tool you need to ensure your Windows system have is nothing but telnet. Telnet will facilitate you to troubleshoot issues related to connecting to services that are running on remote servers. We'll actually look into usage at a later point in time. For now, let's ensure that we have telnet on our Windows machine. First, to confirm whether telnet is accessible or not, you can launch PowerShell or command prompt. So in this case, I'm searching for PowerShell. I'm clicking on this to go to PowerShell. Then we can say telnet and hit enter. If telnet is accessible, then it will actually let you into the telnet prompt. At this time, it is not accessible. That doesn't mean that you need to install something from internet. You just have to exit from here. Let me exit from here. Then go to the search bar, search for telnet. You can see here it is actually showing as part of the control panel. There is something called as turn Windows features on or off. You can click on this. You will see the features that are available at this time and also whatever is on and whatever is off. If these are deselected, that means they are off. If these are selected, that means they are on. For example, Internet Explorer is on at this time. As part of this list, you will also see telnet. So telnet is one of the Windows features that is already available. However, it is off. To enable, you just have to select this, then say OK. Now it is searching for required files. It might take care of installing whatever is required for you. Now it is done. We can say close. We don't need to install anything. We don't need to even restart the machine. Now we can go to the PowerShell. Then we can say telnet and hit enter. Now you are inside the telnet prompt. If you want to come out of this, you just have to say quit. Now you are outside of it. To validate, you can actually say telnet and then say g01.itversity.com. To facilitate SSH connectivity between the client and the server, there should be something called as SSH process. It typically runs on port number 22. You can type 22 here and hit enter. If it doesn't throw any error and if it take you to this, then it will stuck like this. To come out of this, you have to say control and then closing square bracket. The closing square bracket is towards the right side of key P on your keyboard. You have two keys, opening bracket and closing bracket on the right side of P. The first one is opening bracket, second one is closing bracket. You just have to say control and then closing square bracket to come out of the telnet with hostname and port number. If it is working, it will just get inside it and it will just struck. To come out of it first, you have to say control closing bracket. Once you see this, you can say quit and you can come out of it. This is how you can actually set up telnet and also validate. It is already there as part of the Windows operating system. However, it is a feature which is turned off. You just have to turn on by going to the control panel. Instead of going to control panel, you can just search for telnet directly in the search bar. It will take you to the features on or off section. You just have to enable telnet so that telnet is accessible using Windows PowerShell or command prompt. That being said, if you run into any issues, feel free to reach out to us on our official support channels. We'll take care of troubleshooting your issues and fix it. That being said, if you like the content of the video, feel free to click on the like button. If you want to share with your friends, feel free to do so. Provide the feedback using comment section and also subscribe to our channel and click on the notification icon so that you get the videos into your mailbox. Once you subscribe, stay tuned so that you actually learn a lot more whether you are our customer or not. It doesn't matter. We'll be publishing a lot of free content and you should be able to learn quite a lot.